Hey friends, welcome to Stuff Moms Have Time For. My name is Rebecca, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to do this lattice garden. I have been wanting to fill this blank wall in my backyard for a while with something pretty and decorative, and I finally found something for the space. If you guys are new here, I would love you to stick around and subscribe. I make weekly videos on DIYs, recipes, cocktails, and lifestyle for moms. So I hope you guys join the Stuff Moms Have Time For family, and I will show you guys how we made this lattice. So if anyone has watched my videos before, you know that my older daughter Tabitha loves to help with projects. You gonna help me? All right. So I got this lattice from Home Depot, and I wanted the space between the sections to be a little bit larger because I knew I was hanging things from them. So we are just painting the lattice in a white color. Because it was raw wood, it did require a few coats, but thankfully I had some help to do all the rolling. So about halfway into the first coat, my daughter gave up and started watching Zoom Zooms and keeping me company. So I finished the rest of it on my own and then did a second coat once it dried. So I do a lot of painting projects, and I've painted pretty much every room inside my house. And one of the things that I have picked up along the way is to use cellophane wrap and rewrap your brushes so that you don't have to wash them every time you use them. Once they're in the cellophane, just stick them in the fridge and you can use them the next day or after, and it will not dry out.
That's fine. If it sticks out a little bit, just paint right over it.
So my husband attached with a nail gun about a 1-inch piece of wood on the corners and in the center of the lattice because I wanted it to come off the wall a little bit to give space for me to hang my plants. Now this is the back of our house, which is a walkout basement, so this is cement that he is drilling these holes in. So he did need a cement drill bit, and then he needed these anchors to put it in the wall. But if you're hanging it against something wood, it'd be a lot easier just to hammer it in or to just drill it in with some screws. So then I went back to Home Depot and I got these little pots and then these S-hooks to hang the flowers in. And I also bought some nice seasonal plants. It is still relatively warm here, so I did keep with some vibrant colors. But because it is almost fall, I also bought some mums as well. Now you can use a hole punch or a drill bit to do this, but I am using this little hole punch, and I'm going to take my S-ring and put it right through that hole. And then I'm going to transplant my plants into these little pots. And then I started just hanging all of the plants in the pots and putting them in different spaces. I love how this thing came out. It is so pretty. I can see myself switching it out seasonally and putting different flowers in for different times of the year. It's very versatile because I could just take things off and put them on and replace it. I hope you guys like this video. If you've ever worked with lattice gardening before, let me know, and I will see you guys next time.